and welcome to my channel Drakshis Knowledge Tech. Today again I am with mathematics, the Arrow publication 4th standard book, and I am going to solve chapter number 11, and the name of chapter is time. Exercise 1 I am going to solve today. Okay, we have some of the clocks here, so we have to find out the time and what are the clocks saying to us. Okay, we come here. First question is read and write the time shown in the clock. Question number 1 is read and write the time. Read and write the time. Okay, what we have to do? First one is there A. Here time is shown for us, and now we have to find out what is the time in this clock. So what is the time? We know that in a clock there are two hands. One is long hand, one is short hand. And the short hand represents the hours, whereas the long hand represents the minutes. Okay. So this hand is on minutes and the small hand is hours. Okay. Now we have to find out what is the time here. It is dash minute past dash o'clock. So we have to find out how much minute has passed away of what time. So the short hand is representing 4 here. So it is 4 o'clock here. 4 already passed. How much minutes passed here? 4 means exactly it should be on 12. And already it has passed 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So 10 minutes past 4 o'clock. This the time is, it is 10 minutes past 4 o'clock. Coming on to the next one. Here already we have two hands here. The small hand is pointing to 9 and the long hand is on 12. Now it is 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Coming on to the third one. Okay. We have another question. It is dash minutes to dash o'clock. What we have to find out? How much minute is left to cover that time. So dash minute to dash o'clock. So when this long hand reaches the 12, it will be how much? It will be, the time will be 11 o'clock. Already the short hand is in between 10 and 11. So it is in between means already it has crossed 10 and half already crossed, and 10 is 10:35, 10:40 it is. Now already it is 10:40, and to reach the time 11 o'clock it has to cover 20 minutes. 5, 10, 15 and 20 minutes. So it is 20 minutes to 11 o'clock. 20 minutes to 11 o'clock. Next one, we come here. Next one is already hand is given and we have to find out what is the given here. It is dash past dash o'clock. That is already passed. The time is passed. So when the short hand is on 6 and it should be on 12, then only it is 6 o'clock. But now we can see that already the long hand has passed till 3. So how much minute is there? How many minutes have passed? 5 minutes, 10 minutes and 15 minutes. So it is 6:15. So already how many minutes passed? 15 minutes past 6 o'clock. 15 minutes have already passed for 6 o'clock. Now we come here. The short hand is in between 6 and 7 and the long hand is on 9. Now we have to find out it is dash minutes to dash clock. So it is dash minutes means still it has to cover the whole time. So it is how many minutes left to come to 7 o'clock. The long hand should come to 12 to make a correct round figure here. So when the long hand reaches 12 on 12, it will be 7 o'clock now. So how many minutes are there here? 5, 10, 15. So 15 minutes are left for covering to 7 o'clock. It is quarter to 7 we can say in other words. The last one, find out it is dash past dash o'clock again. Already the time has passed. How much the time has passed. Now the short hand is representing between 9 and 8. So short hand is in between this. So already 8 has passed and 9 still yet to come. So already 8 has passed means it has covered 8 o'clock, and then 8 o'clock means the long hand should be on 12. Already it has covered till here. So how much minute you have to count here? 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 20, 25 and 30 minutes. Already it has passed 30 minutes to after 8 o'clock. 30 minutes after 8 o'clock it has passed. So it is 8 past 30. Okay. 30 past 8 o'clock. Okay. Pause it. Coming on to our next question, question number 2. In the same exercise, draw the hands to show the given time. We have already, the time is mentioned here. Time is mentioned here, 6:20, quarter to 11 and quarter past 4. Everything is mentioned here. Only we have to draw the given time. We have to represent the hands there. As we know that shorthand represents the hours and as well the long hand represents the minutes. So we have to draw the time. Now what is the time here? 6:20 is there. So the short hand should be on the hour. Hour is 6 hours and 20 minutes means 6 hours should exactly point at 12. So 20 minutes you have to count here. 5 minutes, 10, 15 and 20. The long hand should be on the minutes. That is 6:20. Next here, quarter to 11. Quarter means 15 minutes are less to that given time. So quarter to 11 means the short hand should be on 11. Short hand, this should be short hand should be on 11 and still it has not yet completed 11 o'clock. So we are going to represent the time the long hand should be on 9 because still it has to cover 15 minutes here. Time is there. So it is quarter to 11. Now coming to the sixth one, quarter past 4. Quarter past means already it has passed 4. Quarter is past. Quarter means 15 minutes. We have to keep it in mind. 15 minutes means quarter. Half means 30 minutes. And we have to find out quarter past 4. So 4 means is the time given. The short hand should be on the 4 and quarter is past. It should be this way. So 4 after 15 minutes. It has already passed 15 minutes. So it is the hand given here. This is the short hand, whereas this is the long hand. Coming on to the next one. Next one is half past 10. Already half has passed. Half means half hour. Hour has been passed now. So 10 o'clock, the small hand should represent 10 and half has passed. So when it represents 12, it will be exactly, it will be 10 o'clock. Now already it has passed half. So it should come here. It should be 10:30. In other words, we can say it is 10:30. Now we come to here, 8:25. 8, already it has passed 25 after 8. It has covered. 8 is the short hand and this will be exactly 8 o'clock. Already 25 minutes have been passed, means count here. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 20 and 25. The long hand should be on 5 here. Okay, coming on to the last 2:10 it is. 2 o'clock means the short hand represented 2 and 10 minutes it is also 2 because when it comes on 12 it will be exactly 2 o'clock. Then if you count 10 minutes here for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, both hands will be on the same 2 o'clock. This is the short hand whereas this is the long hand. So it is 2:10. Both hands are on the same number, given number, it is 2:10. So here we complete our question number 1 as well. We completed question number 2. Now we come to the question number 3 session. Within we will come back. So here we have our next question, the third question. Fill in the blanks. Already some of the sentences are given. We have to find out the right answer here. The hour hand makes dash rounds in a day. We should know how many rounds the hour hands do. If we take an example, hour hand is a short hand, small hand, whereas the long hand is minute hand. So hour hand, in one day how many rounds it has to take? For example, it is 12 o'clock now. It is 12 o'clock. When it comes full round, it takes one full round, it will be 12 hours there. But it doesn't complete one day. One day means 24 hours. So to complete 24 hours, it has to go 2 rounds. So here it is 2 rounds. The first question is the hour hand makes 2 rounds to in a day. Okay. Now second one is 1 hour is equal to dash minute. So we come to the minute hand, the long hand which represents the minute. If to complete 1 hour, it has to take how many rounds? It has to take the long hand should take one full round from here to again back to its own place. That is called how many minutes? Totally we are having 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 and 30, 45 and 60. So it will be 60 minutes here. Third one, 1 minute is equal to dash second. You should know the reading of 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? It will be 60 seconds. 60 seconds you have to write. Because 1 minute causes 60 seconds causes 1 minute, 60 minutes causes 1 hour, and 24 hours causes 1 day. Okay. Now we come to the next one. 20 minutes after 9:05. 9 hours and 5 minutes is given here, and we have to add 20 minutes here. If you add 20 minutes, what will you get the time? 5 to, it will be 9:25. Okay. Next one is 10 minutes before 1:50. Before it is minus 1:50 minus 10 minutes. Okay. 0 hours 10 minutes you can also take. 5 minus 1 is 4. This is 1 as it is. So the time will be before 10 minutes. 10 minutes before 1:50 minutes, it will be 1 hour and 40 minutes. This was our today's chapter. Time we have covered 3 questions in that. The rest we will cover after few minutes. Okay, stop. Here we completed our exercise 1. Soon we will be back with the exercise 2 in the same chapter, time, chapter number 11. Okay, bye. Take care.